Hello, beautiful friends. How are you? So I decided to make a 4 paintings canvas about 4 seasons. For today, I make with you the spring with green colors. I hope you enjoy. It's a beautiful color, this green, I love it. And now the other side with titanium white, of course, for the contrast. This is not black, it's Spanish grey. It's grey and blue and black. It's very weird color. Not too much because it's very strong color. This is phthalo green. You know what I mean, phthalo green. I don't know, but it's just like a clear green. Nice color too, very bright. And of course the base. I put around, first of all over this movement, silver. It's not clear silver. I put some very light blue inside. And now I put the base around the colors, white and sap green. And now I blow the base up to the colors. Towards the bubbles, and I change the side for you, and the show begin. No? Come on. Okay. It's so light, so fearless. I love this technique so much. My hair. Do you like it? That's it. Very short, very quickly. So simple but so beautiful. Like flying or something. Towards the bubble, because these green little things inside, they make bigger. You see? And more. I will do something more, I think. Except this. It's very empty there, and I'll try to fix it. This is a spoon. I think it's okay. Tell me your opinion, please, if you want. I think it's very beautiful. And now the close-up to see it more clear, and from close, of course. You see this, it's like a gem. Gems. Thank you so much. See you next video. Bye.